Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for quick and easy tech solutions. In today's video, we are tackling a frustrating issues. Your ear speaker is not working on your iPhone. Whether it is cutting out during calls or your music just won't play, we have got you covered with simple fixes to get your ear speaker back up and running. So stay tuned and to find out how. First of all, go to your volume button and you have to click on till up and then go to the settings. Go to the scroll bar and you have to click on the Bluetooth off and then go to the settings and then scroll down. You have to scroll down and find accessibility. Yeah, this is accessibility. You have to click on that and then go to and scroll down, and here is hearing devices. You have to click on that and click this toggle on hearing aid compatibility. You have to toggle it on and then go back again and scroll down. Here is audio and visuals, and here is balance bar. You have to take and you have to balance bar on 0. Okay, you have done this once and then scroll down, and here is phone and cancellations. You have to toggle it on, and then here is mono audio. You have to toggle it on also. Okay, click on this OK and then go to the mono audio. You have to click on that and then go back, go all the way back, and last option is you have to go to Bluetooth and you have to toggle it off also. Once you did all these solutions, and the last one is you have to restart your iPhone. Okay, I am trying to restart my iPhone. You have to do the same. Okay, by sliding it into the right side, you have to able to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you will be able to solve out the problem, that is ear speaker not working properly. That's it for today's video. Hopefully one of these solutions worked and your ear speaker is back in action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.